Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at navel stones. Plus, we have a fun story about our partnership with the TV show The Doctors. So let's look at some navel stone highlights while you take a moment and click subscribe and the notification bell for updates. According to The Doctors, navel stones are caused by a buildup of dead skin cells and oil in the belly button. Gross. These clips were seen on our channels first. They're our content that we licensed to the TV show. Cool, right? It's funny, we've worked with Dr. Sandra Lee, The Doctors, Dr. Auger, and dozens of other exciting creators. We live in an exciting time. Anyway, if you need a great skin and nail care kit, check out this one from Amazon. It's on clearance right now with a hugely discounted price, so check it out for yourself.